Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Real Estate Express profile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Real Estate Express profile, begin by navigating to the Real Estate Express website. On the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign In button to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an account yet, click on the Create Account link to start the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you have completed the form, review your information for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to create your account. After successfully creating your account, check your email for a confirmation message from Real Estate Express. Open the email and look for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your profile. Return to the Real Estate Express website and sign in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be directed to your profile dashboard. Here, you can complete your profile by adding additional details, such as your phone number and profile picture. Make sure to save any changes you make to your profile. Once your profile is fully set up, you can start exploring the courses and resources available. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, visit the FAQ section on the website for assistance. Feel free to contact customer support if you need further help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.